are we?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are we at Alton Towers? Are we in Antigua? Are we at Center Parcs? So we are here at Elveden Forest, Center Parcs, and it is snowing a lot. This could be quite good. So I've just come to collect the car and take all our stuff to the lodge. You have to wait until 3 o'clock, I believe it is, before you can actually start taking your stuff, so you can actually get access to your lodge, sorry. So yeah, we've just come to get the car, and then we will drive it round to the lodge, drop all the stuff off, and then bring the car back to the car park. So yeah, it's, you know, it's a one-way system. You can't really get lost. It's everything's signposted. We've just been for a swim. Yeah, we spent a couple of hours in the swimming pool. It is so cold here at the moment. It's snowing on and off pretty much all the time, which is good because I've never been here when it's snowing, and it's definitely added an interesting flair to this trip. So I don't know what we're going to do tonight. Probably just get something to eat back at the lodge, and then probably just sit and chill until Walking Dead's on. So we've just dropped the car back off at the car park. Say hi, Lou.
Hi.
And we're just walking back to the, I don't know, what would you call it? Villa? Villa. So yeah, these are the sort of villas that they have down there. It's yeah, nice lake. A bit frozen at the moment. But yeah, it is really cold. But yeah, I think we're just going to chill out tonight, make some food, watch some telly, bit of Walking Dead. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the villas. So this is the main, so this is the main bedroom, or the master bedroom. To be fair, the bedrooms are all pretty big. I think 2 of them have double beds and there's 1 with 2 singles. This is the ensuite for the master room. You get a shower. The showers are pretty good here. Pretty good. Just a toilet, sink, towel rail, and a nice mirror. What's up? So going out here, we have the kitchen area, but we'll go into that in a minute. This is the second bedroom. Again, it's a good size, good double bed. It has a wardrobe. It's not as big as the wardrobe in the other bedroom. But the bathroom, it doesn't have a shower, but it has a bath. Actually, it does have a shower. It has a shower in the bath, whereas that one is just a shower. So the bath, and it also has jets, which are quite cool. Yeah, they're quite powerful. It's, you know, it's cool to have a bath that's a little bit different. Shower around again. And just have a quick look at the view outside. So it's quite secluded. I mean, we can see the neighbours area a little bit there, but I suppose only if you were sort of leaning over and having a look you'd see it. But yeah, you can sort of sit out. I mean, like, there's a bird in that tree at the moment. It's, you know, it's nice just to have a look outside and see what wildlife you can see. Oh yeah, every tally's got a room, and so every room's got a tally as well. So this is the kitchen area. Nice kitchen, you know, it's got what you need. Doesn't need to be any bigger than that. You get a blackboard to write whatever you want on it, leave messages for the cleaner, or, you know, just have a bit of fun with. Dining area / living area. So as you can see, it's a good size. It's big enough for what you need it for. This is the third bedroom. Here's Lucy. Hi. and that again has an ensuite, and that has a shower in it again. So yeah, good sizes. You don't. Oh, you do have wardrobes, one at each side of the bed in this room. And you get, going near the front door, there's a little storage cupboard. Just for, yeah, it's just got a boiler and stuff in it, and a safe. Not really that interesting, a Hoover and stuff, not that you'll need it, because you get cleaners with the executive lodge every day. It's just the view outside the front. The front doors as well, they also use these little key fob things, so basically it's only yourself that can unlock it with these key fobs, which is a good idea. You just sort of put it on your wrist and forget about it, you don't have to worry about keys. And say hi. Hi. And then out the back we have a sauna with this one, which is just in there. And then yeah, the view outside, which is quite cool. Obviously everything's covered in snow and it's freezing, but in the summer it's nice to sit out there. Say hi. Say hi.